Hello guys, let's get straight to the point on how to use the Hostinger coupon code 2026. First, click the Hostinger coupon code link in this video description. Next, choose the hosting type you need like web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, or VPS hosting, or any hosting service you need. Now I am choosing VPS hosting. Next, scroll down to pick your plan. Here you can see which plan is popular. Also, here you can see how much the discount Hostinger offers for each plan. So take your time and choose based on your needs. Once you go through the plan, hit Choose Plan button. Next is the order summary page. Here choose the billing period of 1, 12, 24 months. 24 months billing period is the best value. And for this, you will get 1 year free domain also. Now scroll down and choose a server location that closest to you or your audience for optimal performance. Next, in order summary, you can see the referral discount 20%. This is because of my link. Now hit Continue button. Enter email and set password. Once done, you will redirect it to payment page. Do payment. You will receive mail. And that's it. You have claimed the Hostinger deal with Hostinger coupon code link. It is very simple and just 2 minutes work. Enjoy hosting. Without my coupon, you have to pay this, and with coupon, you have to pay this. So don't forget to use my link and save more. If you have any questions, comment down below. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.